Another day, another hat, as Tupac would say. And today, Kinder Scout. We're going to take the route up Jacob's Ladder, explore around the top. Nice view over there somewhere. Mamtor. I can't see on this tiny ass screen, but it's over there and it looks nice. Jet foil. As I was approaching Jacob's Ladder, I heard you scream, "Oh my God, Ben, you look fantastic. Who are you wearing?" Well, I thought I'd tell you. We have the Montaigne Protein Fleece. We have the Montaigne Dart Long Sleeve. And we have the Montaigne Terror Pants. Am I sponsored by Montaigne? Hell no, I am not. But Montaigne, if you're one of the 5 people watching this, and you want to throw a game my way, please do. Because of those 5 people, one of them will be me, one will be her, one will be me mum, one will be you. But you never know. That last person could be a millionaire who's just sat at home thinking, I want to go hiking. I'll watch this video. Oh, what's he wearing? Montaigne, okay. Oh, buy everything they've got. Could happen. Do it, Montaigne. Windy. Busting out the hood.
She doesn't even go here.
I feel like I'm on the set of Rob Roy. Oh, you can't keep up with the headwear, can you? Keeping you on your toes. More than halfway up now. I had to bust out the jacket. Not because I was cold, it was just turned into a bit of a sail on my back. Hi ho. Come all the way up here. Now we're going to go to Kinder Low. Don't.
Ridiculous.
Ooh, out of the wind. Kinder Low choke point there. Wish I bought gloves. I didn't. Anyway, we're going to head over to Kinder Downfall. Started to spit a little bit, busted out the waterproofs. Mountain equipment, if you're watching, yeah, you know. Mermaid's Pool, Christopher Walken. It's a pool for the mermaid. Nailed it. So, we made it. Top of Kinder Downfall. It's not the most impressive right now, but I'm assured certain times of the year it's rather magnificent. And maybe thinking, Ben, why are you doing this on your birthday? What else am I going to be doing? We were going to head back, but we noticed there's another choke point not too far from where we were. But I'm walking through a bog.
Trick point.
Success! If we can get over there without sinking. No! No! come around. You know, it's only 15 minutes from downfall, so I thought I'd tick it off a list. Yeah. That counts. Made it back to the first true point. It's raining now, still windy, foggy. Well, it's got rather windy and we're losing a bit of light. Still got an hour or so to the car, so we're going to call it for today. Not bad day. Back to the tent. Grab a Domino's on the way. Alright, we're just going to go all the way down this path here. If you can hear anything I'm saying. All the way down that little path down there. It's hard to see on a small screen. All the way down there. Round the corner. And that is it. Peace. How you doing?